Hi, this is Bob with Express Restoration. How you doing today? We're doing a mold job over here in Oklahoma City on the southeast side. Let's do a walkthrough and take you through some of the things we've done here. So come on and follow me through. This is the entry area right here. We've found mold traces around here. We took stuff off and treated with microban. Down here where the walls are, this other side over here, you can see where the termites are and the mold and stuff. When there's a lot of water, termites will come in and start eating the wood up. And you can see the pre-existing. We're going to go back here in the bedroom and take another look at some areas we took some materials out and start the process. Follow me. There's a lot of mold damage in this room in here. Come on in here, you can kind of take a look at some of these areas where we took all the walls out. And we did the mold mitigation already. And we're going to bring some air scrubbers in, finish drying the property. Bob again with Express Restoration of Oklahoma City. Give us a call at area code 405-922-8891 if you have water damage, fire, mold, mitigation, or biohazard. Anyway, this is part one of a mold job. We do several of these jobs here in Oklahoma City. Give us a call if you have any concerns, and we'll come out and give you a bid, an estimate, and take a look at your property so we can have a good, healthy view of everything. Thank you. Please give us a call. Have a good day.